Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, the most merciful and compassionate. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. My name is Naki Haider Shah and you are watching my channel AAW Knowledge Consultancy. So here we are today with our 8th episode, How to Write a Quality English. So my dear viewers, today's topic is very important and essential. As usual, today's topic is what is creative writing. Now you would have heard a creative writing. So today we're going to see what is creative writing, how we will use creative writing. So my dear viewers, thank you very much for your appreciation and support and your feedback. Your valuable feedback will always be appreciated. So far so good. All those viewers, those who haven't subscribed my channel, please, this is my humble request, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you can get my new videos. So my dear viewers, here we are with our new episode 8, creative writing. Now first of all, we will define what is creative writing. Do you have any idea what is creative writing? Yes. Basically, creative writing is a writing which is based on emotions, feelings, ideas. In creative writing, the writer expresses her feelings, emotion in a more attractive, persuasive way to attract the audience, isn't it? So far so good. What else creative writing? How will you define creative writing? Creative writing is different from academic writing and technical writing. It is a writing based on imagination, thinking, ideas. So we will see what type of generally creative writing is. Basically, it's a fiction writing. Let's see some of the types. Poetry. In creative writing, we have poetry, plays, movies, songs, essays, speeches. So what else you know? In poetry, the poet expresses his or her feelings, emotions, ideas. You would have seen some of the fabulous poems, some of the fabulous poetry you have seen. William Wordsworth, Parveen Shakir, Prem Nath, other good writers, you have seen their poetry based on their feeling, expressions, ideas and imaginations. So far so good, my dear viewers. Then plays. You have seen a lot of good plays. In English plays, Urdu plays, Hindi plays, dramas, plays and dramas. And then movies. You would have seen some of the good movies, some of the very interesting, fabulous movies like The Quiet Man, 1952, John Wayne and Maureen O'Hara. The other movies like Broken Arrow, some of the good Indian movies like Mughal-e-Azam, Pakistani movies, there are a lot of good Pakistani movies of Vaid Murad, Muhammad Ali, Zeba. These are of good movies, always based on imagination, thinking, feeling and emotions. Then songs, some of the good songs. If you see English songs, if you see Punjabi songs, Urdu songs, Hindi songs, songs are based on creative writing, Now essays, you would have seen different types of essays. These are based on some topic. So based on some ideas, imaginations, feelings. So far so good. And then we have speeches. Now done, my dear viewers, that creative writing can be based on true events, historic events. There are a lot of movies based on historic moments, but with some modification, like Braveheart. You can see like Braveheart. This is a movie. You can see that some of the facts were actually, some of the film were based on actual facts and some fiction. So creative writing is an art of making things. What is creative writing? Creative writing is an art of making things to attract audience in a more persuasive way, to convince them. Okay, now there are 4 types of creative writing. First is the expository writing, second one is the descriptive writing, third one is the persuasive writing, and fourth one is the narrative writing. What else next? So one by one we're going to see them. Expository writing. In expository writing, the writer presents and investigate an idea based on some evidence to arrive at a logical conclusion. So this is like expository writing. So far so good, my dear viewers. Now what else next? The descriptive writing. You know well, this is a common writing. You present things, you describe a character. In descriptive writing, the writer describe a character, describe a place, describe an event in a very attractive and convincing way to convince the audience to arrive at a conclusion. Third one is the persuasive writing. As you know, in persuasive writing, the writer motivates, convince, persuade the readers to accept his beliefs, to accept his ideas in a more logical and critical manner, right? Criticism, critical reviews, proposals, brochures, different type of brochures, different type of cards you have seen. So this is like persuasive writing. Now, fourth one is the narrative writing. As you know by the name, narrative writing means storytelling. In narrative writing, the writer present a sequence of events, connect them in a proper form to present a very good story. British are very, very good narrator of stories. You might would have seen in English literature some of the brilliant stories. You see in Urdu, Hindi literature, some of the brilliant stories. So basically, narrative writing is based on storytelling, story writing. So these are the basic concepts about the creative writing, my dear viewers. So I hope you will understand, you will like. Creative writing is very essential. Through creative writing, you improve your English. Like, for example, a lot of essays, a lot of writings, these are based on creative fiction. For example, if you have to write an essay on morning walk, you will see that you have to write an English, fiction English, based on some facts, some ideas, some experience. So I hope today's lecture you would like it. My dear viewers, you will inshallah sooner see I'm going to start the speaking IELTS classes, and inshallah ta'ala you will enjoy a lot. In the end of the day, in the end of the lecture, thank you very much for you. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you health, wealth, peace and prosperity throughout your life. Ameen. With lots of prayers, lots of du'as. Remember me in your prayer. Thank you very much and see you in next episode. Allah Hafiz.